Standard 10th, Subject Maths 2, Chapter number 3, Circle. In the last video, we have learned that what is inscribed angle and what is intercepted arc. In this video, we are going to learn inscribed angle theorem. The statement of inscribed angle theorem says that the measure of an inscribed angle is the half of the measure of its intercepted arc. Now given in a circle with center O, angle BAC is inscribed angle in the arc BAC, and angle BAC intercept the arc BDC. We have to prove that angle BAC is half of measure of arc BDC. To prove that, let's draw a construction. Draw ray AO. It intersects the circle in the point E. Now draw a radius OC. Now let's see the proof. In triangle AOC, side OA is congruent to side OC since they are the radii of the same circle. Therefore, angle OAC is equal to angle OCA by isosceles triangle theorem. Let OAC angle is equal to angle OCA is equal to x. Suppose this is the first equation. Now EOC is equal to OAC plus angle OCA by remote interior angle theorem. By substituting the value from equation 1, we get angle EOC is equal to x degree plus x degree, that is 2x degree. Since angle EOC is a central angle, therefore measure of arc EC is equal to 2x degree. Let this equation 2. Therefore, from first and second, OAC is equal to angle EAC, which is equal to half of measure of arc EC. Let this be equation 3. Now measure of angle EAB is equal to half of measure of arc BE. Let this be equation number 4. 3 and 4, we can say that measure of angle EAC plus measure of angle EAB is half of measure of arc EC plus half of measure of arc BE. Now take half common. Now from the left hand side, angle EAC plus angle EAB is equal to angle BAC, which is equal to half time measure of arc EC plus measure of arc BE, which is again is equal to arc BEC. So instead of BEC, if you want, we can write half of measure of arc BDC. So that is measure of angle BAC is equal to half of measure of arc BDC. Hence proved. Now students, one note is there. There are three possibilities regarding the inscribed angle and the location of the center of the circle. The first one is center of the circle lie on the side of the angle. It lies in the interior of the angle and it lies in the exterior of the angle. So students, here we have completed the inscribed angle theorem. Thank you.